Nada por nada. Na por nada. No, I just need to buy.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. Balik na. Yeah, can we put? Be careful, there is a thing on here. Good morning po, guys. I just returned my dirty clothes because I'm not showered yet and I don't want to wear clean clothes yet. So that's what happened. Huh? Oh, there is a Lego. Okay, guys. It's early in the morning. Okay, let Tommy the cabinet, the drawers. So we watch Lost to finish the season 3, and now I start tayong maglinis. No, don't close it. I still have to wipe that inside. Ito siya, diba? My mirror, guys. This one has a mirror. It's under in our bed. So good morning po, guys. Today is Tuesday today, and I go tomorrow to Walmart. Oh, he wants to get today.
Well, we gotta get them food. They'll eat.
Okay. There you go.
These are handmade furniture, so they have to go exactly where it's supposed to go.
Everything is hala, clear that shit. So I'm just gonna start cleaning here and put this together and clean the fireplace on top of there because it still also need to be done. Yun na, tapos na siya. Kailangan ko na lang, may nawala na part, oh. Kailangan ko na lang siyang lagyan ng mga gamit. Yan. Meron na tayong lalagyan ng gamit. And dito, guys, naglilinis ako doon. Yung plano ko dito sa fireplace na ito is maglagay ako ng malaking parang frame ba. Magpinta sana ako dito, guys. Yung parang magpintal sana ako dito kasi lagyan ng another paint because nawala yung ibang pinta, oh. I mean napaknit ba. So kaso parang ayaw ko na kasi maglagay din ako ng plant pero lagyan ko siya ng protection para hindi masira ng yan lang. Naghanap talaga ako ng mga plant na pwede sa hayop. Ayan, empty na dito, guys. Wala nang laman. And maganda yan lagyan ng Christmas decoration pag Christmas. Maligo ako mamaya kasi hindi naman talaga ito madumi pero alam nyo na. May TV tayo sa living room. Tommy is busy.
Where's your wire from the karaoke?
I told you I put it here.
Oh, so it was at the little one. That's why.
You have it here, right?
Yeah, no.
So ngayon, nakaligo na ako at lahat-lahat kami ni Tommy. Pupunta kami ng Walmart.
It's too hard.
Why is that so hard? Is there softer than that?
I don't know that it's softer.
Yun, i-ready lang niya yung pangkara-okay natin mga sa susunod na mga araw. So, galing ako sa labas, guys. Nag-i-edit. Actually, naka-edit ako. I edited 2 videos already. 2 days of videos. And ipa-finalize ko lang siya later. And then, I'm not done with the other one. The third one. I said, I heard some noise here. So, si Tommy pala.
I know.
Oh, you need a thing.
Switch inputs. I mean, I can do it from here.
You can do that there?
Yeah, it's not that light.
Is that just for the first time? I'm looking at your eyes for the first time. I see you.
Alis kami, guys. We are going to Walmart. It's already 2 o'clock.
We'll be back.
Bye, guys. Roxy is like,
No
what
salt
the,
in rocks.
what the heck? Why always leave us? Why this is open?
What?
The thingy?
Because I put clothes in there that I washed because you left the wet clothes in here and dry clothes in here.
Oh, it's, oh my goodness, it's everything, all the time, it's my problem, it's my fault.
You did a little laundry.
Even the laundry.
Like only like 5 things.
Even the laundry, the everything, the door is not
You
closed,
can say hello everything.
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 So I miss everything.
Apparently.
Apparently.
Oh, no.
Sana makahanap, ang anuhin ko, sana makahanap ako ng couch cover, ganun. You know, alam nyo na, kailangan. Alam mo, sleepy ako talaga, guys. Sabi ko kay Tami, I'm sleepy, honey. Gusto kong matulog. Gusto ko talagang matulog. Kailangan naming umalis. Sabi ko kay Tami, bukas na lang tayo aalis. Sabi pa niya, ngayon na. Yun ko, ayaw niya akong alis na mag-isa. Dito ngayon kami sa, ano guys, Walmart na. This is a nice color. Look at this. Yellow. Nice stuff. Hmm?
Oh, candy.
Candy for what? There's more candy. What is this? It's a mask? Is this a mask? No. There's no price.
Look at the price.
I don't see any price. No price. Yung mask niya, binili niya is, what is that mask says? Nothing, it's just the plain one. Oh, the flag and the eagle. Oh, it's on the other side. Even the other pouch I got for her. They don't have the other one too. Oh, there, get that.
What?
I got that for them before. That pouch, they like that.
Which one?
That one over there.
This one?
Yes. I got that already for them. The only problem is they don't have much. It only like few bucks in there. Okay guys, ito na yung nabili namin. Okay, let's go. Ito lang siya. Huh? We're done?
Nope.
Oh, the turkey. The turkey. We're done with the turkey. The small one for dessert. This one, oh, I'm gonna get this. This one, the small one here. Get this, okay? This one. Doesn't it?
There's only like less than $1 more. $1 more.
But I need the small version.
I'm sure I got small.
Okay.
How many
No,
is
that's
there?
too
How many
big.
is
50.
there?
No, that's bigger. Row 7, Han.
What?
7. Over there. Last. 7. Yeah. What the heck? Oh, it's this.
You didn't back it, so you must fold in the 8
Yeah, I did.
What?
I did fold back. You don't see it? Seriously. Okay. It's not in the back? Oh, there is. It's full. Oh no, you have to come back here. Hello guys, we are done here at Walmart. So, tapos na kami dito. So ngayon, ano na lang ang I don't see any couch cover, guys. I don't see any couch cover at all, as in they don't have nothing. Nada por nada, na por nada. No, I just need to buy. Thank you. Yeah, that's it.
Really?
Yeah, that's it. I'm not chocolate dark person. I like milky chocolatey. Thank you, honey. Cat food, dog food. diffuser. What else? You don't get nothing, huh? Like what you're looking for, like a painting.
No, paint you like it.
Huh?
You like it.
At least we don't stay long sa ano, sa Walmart. Usually. Oh, we get bread, we get it's milky, chocolatey. You don't feel bad for me?
Why?
Jesus.
Hey, bread is bread. It's glad for this thing.
Oh my God. I won't be happy.
I don't care. Break it up into little squishy pieces for me anyway.
Nakauwi na kami, guys, and nag-snack. Tommy, you don't know how to put this back all the time.
Because I wanted to dry before I put it back.
Nag-snack kami, strawberry yung sa akin, kay Tommy is bologna. Hisa sa bologna. Strawberry. I told you, if she doesn't get it, don't give it.
She had it in her mouth, then she dropped it.
So did she eat it?
Yeah. Last one.
And Hub's over there.
I know, Hobbs, so I gave you bologna, I gave you cheese. You want either one. You want turkey?
He's listening to you.
You want me to take out the turkey for you?
Oh my God, honey, it's so something on.
I can get you turkey. Because that could be nice that way.
He is just watching you.
You want mustard? Maybe you like mustard. You want to smell it and see if you like it? No, not anything.
Ito yung nabili ko na ano, diffuser. I-open natin ito. Ito yung napili ko. So, let's open this. Wire. And this one, let's go with two. Meron siyang dalawang, ano siya, lavender and lavender at saka, ano to? Peppermint. So, let's see kung paano ito i-ano. Tignan natin. I-ano ko sa inyo guys kung maamoy ba siya. Maamoy. Maganda ba yung amoy niya. Yan siya guys. Iba-iba palang color nito.
Schools in the UK are now open. Pupils are back and they're ready to learn.
Feeling quite happy about going back to school.
Over the last few months, there has been a growing demand for
No, I like it. It's different color.
It's not right that kids should spend more time out of school
Iba-iba yung color niya guys.
to teach with basic.
The only problem is palagi siyang nagsushoot ng ano oh. Yung palaging nagdi-diffuse ba?
schools fulfill a complex
Nakita ninyo? Look. Let me look if may ano ba siya.
The overriding consensus is the same. Children must go back to school.
Yan, pinatay ko yung diffuser. Pero may light pa siya. Oh yeah, may ano pala talaga siya. Color, hindi ko siya nakita. May iba't ibang color. Apat yung color. Green, purple, yellow, and red. Used with all essential oils. Nothing color. Changing lid can be on and off while misting. Mabango siya guys. Mabango siya. Ano siya? 23 bucks. Ito siya. Look, iba't ibang color kahit hindi siya. Automatic pala siya mag-off. Pag ano. Natulog si Mister. Pagod yun guys. Pagod. So, i-arrange ko lang ito guys. Ayaw ko siya ilagay dito. Baka masira ito lalo. Namatay siya guys. Lagyan ko ito ng tubig, bes. Tubigan lang natin yan konti. Guys, final na yun, guys. Diyan ko na siya ilagay. Hopefully hindi masisira ito siya. Kasi alam niyo na yun. Anyway, si Tommy lumabas, guys. Nagluluto siya ng... Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Swordfish. Ginigrill niya. Ayun. Swordfish. Ito yung lutuan niya. Hello guys! Look at guys! Look! Looky! Look, this is my, I mean, I harvested a lot, but this is like a lot. Like, this is my, like, a lot. I'm gonna cook it.
Food down some?
I'm gonna cook mungo that Tommy can, you can put it. And we're gonna eat. Tommy's, look at the fish, it's like falling apart. It's really thin. It's like, look, cookie. Look so googie. Yeah, I did.
Do they eat?
I don't know. You know what? Because Habs is like something else. So, right now, guys, kakain lang kami. And I will probably eat. Well, do you still have the old one? I'm gonna have the old one.
You know what?
The old thing.
I'll have your one.
Huh?
I'll have your one.
No.
I can have probably
I can't have the old one. We don't have vegetables. I don't cook the freaking chicken. I forgot shit.
freaking chicken.
You know what? Tommy have salad. I can eat without vegetables. Doctor.
Oh, good girl.
You go outside without the groundhog. Good girl. Oh, let's go, mister. Let's go. Come, let's go. Bihis na tayo. Bihis na bihis. And tulog na tayo, guys. Kasi ano ng oras? 10 o'clock na. 10 o'clock na ng gabi. Hindi pa nga ako na ano dito sa bahay. Mga ginagawa ko. Hindi pa tapos. I-transfer ko yung mga ano ko dito. Wala, ba't sa open? I-transfer ko yung damit dito sa baba. Yung damit ko. Yung mga pangbahay. I-transfer ko dito. Kasi meron naman tayong extra space. Diyan. Andito. Yun yung ano ko. Ay, biro bago yan. Matulog tayo, guys. Matulog na tayo. Andun si Tommy sa labas nigarilyo. Yung mist, oh. Ganda siya, guys. Mag-add ako ng isa para ilagay ko dito. Kapag meron na tayong furniture dito. Maghanap pa ako ng magandang furniture sa ano na yan. Lugar na yan. Napaisip ko ba ano dapat ilagay dito? Hey, honey. You don't see it today.
Hey, guys.
Did it?
Excuse me. Hi, guys. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for watching.
Well, thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming, dropping by. We will see you tomorrow. It's already 10 o'clock, guys, so we have to be quiet.
Not us. We worry about them two clowns.
Yeah. I love you. I love you.
You say it, huh?
No? You?
I love you too.
Because I watch
You're looking at the camera when you're saying it.
So?
So I figure you're saying it to them.
I'm looking at you. Huh? Oh, yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Wala kaming ginagawa ngayong araw. So, yun.